Imagine a world where your shopping experience is immersive, your home buying journey is seamless, and learning feels like a hands-on adventure. The Apple Vision Pro is here to make that a reality. Apple Vision Pro is not just another gadget, it's a game-changer across multiple industries. Let's dive straight into how this revolutionary mixed reality headset is poised to transform the way we work, shop, learn, and live. In retail, the Apple Vision Pro elevates the customer experience to a whole new level. Imagine walking into a store, putting on the headset, and virtually trying on clothes without stepping into a fitting room. The Vision Pro creates an immersive shopping experience, allowing you to see how different outfits look and feel in real time, enhancing customer satisfaction and reducing return rates. Now, let's step into the world of real estate. The Vision Pro makes property hunting more efficient and engaging, with virtual tours. Potential buyers can explore homes and apartments in 3D, seeing every detail as if they were physically there. Realtors can showcase multiple properties without the need for travel, making the buying process faster and more convenient. Education is another sector ripe for transformation. With Apple Vision Pro, learning becomes an immersive experience. Students can take virtual field trips to historical sites, conduct science experiments in a simulated lab, and engage with interactive 3D models. This hands-on learning approach can significantly boost engagement and retention. In healthcare, the Vision Pro offers groundbreaking applications. Medical professionals can train with realistic simulations, practicing surgeries and procedures in a risk-free environment. For patient care, doctors can use the headset for remote consultations, viewing patient data and medical images in a more interactive way. This technology not only improves training and patient outcomes, but also expands access to quality healthcare. The manufacturing industry also stands to benefit immensely. Workers can use the Vision Pro for virtual training sessions, learning to operate machinery and handle tasks without the risks associated with on-the-job training. Additionally, real-time data visualization helps in monitoring and improving operational efficiency. The versatility of Apple Vision Pro extends beyond these industries. Its applications in everyday professional scenarios are vast. From architects visualizing building designs in 3D before construction to remote teams collaborating on projects with lifelike presence, the potential is boundless. Imagine conducting meetings where everyone feels present, no matter where they are in the world. The Vision Pro makes remote collaboration more effective and engaging, breaking down the barriers of distance and making teamwork smoother and more productive. Compared to traditional methods, the Vision Pro offers a clear edge in efficiency, engagement, and innovation. Its advanced display technology, intuitive user interface, and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem set it apart from other mixed reality devices. It's designed to not only meet, but exceed the demands of modern industries. In conclusion, the Apple Vision Pro is more than just a piece of cutting-edge technology, it's a catalyst for change across multiple industries. By enhancing customer experiences, streamlining processes, and fostering innovative practices, it has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with both the digital and physical worlds. Are you ready to step into the future with the Apple Vision Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video piqued your interest, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the latest tech and space innovations. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities of tomorrow. I send love and light your way.